Welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create green screen videos with moving objects using Python. This script uses OpenCV, PIL, and NumPy libraries to animate an object like an aircraft with a transparent background against a green screen. It starts by setting up a bright green background, commonly used in green screen effects, and defines the video resolution as 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. Users can select the direction of the object's movement, left to right to left, top to bottom, or bottom to top. Based on the selected direction, the object is animated smoothly across the screen and continues moving until it exits the visible area. Each frame of the movement is saved into a video file, creating a seamless animation. This approach allows you to generate custom green screen animations without needing advanced video editing software, giving you full control over the animation's speed, direction, and size. Using Python makes it easy to create dynamic effects for content creation and special projects. I hope this demonstration inspires you to explore Python for video creation, and thank you for watching.